Hey guys, we're making today is a peach and cherry uh, pie. So it's not a cobbler, it's going to be a pie. So I have two pie crusts here. They're pre-made, they're frozen. They're from Marie Callender's. It's simple, it's ready to go, it's flaky, I like it. It's a really good product. So I have these. I put the holes in here already. I use a fork and put all the different holes in there so it can bake quicker and easier. And the top one, this is it comes two packets. The second one, I'm gonna use this to put turn into a lid, the cap for that. So I have this peach, regular fresh peach. It's in season right now, and same thing with the cherries. I have it all prepped up already. Removed the seeds and the core, cored out, and now I just keep the skin on. All right. And these are these are my dry ingredients. I have brown sugar here. This is turmeric, cornstarch, cinnamon, and salt. And I will have a recipe for all these items, so I really don't remember the amounts. So the first thing I have to mix up all the fruits. And use a little spoon. So these are all my dry ingredients. I'll just mix it up also. Makes it real good. Mix it all together so it's nice and blended. Okay. And then that's it on that, the filling. So now just pour the filling right on top. Trying to evenly distribute the fillings. Alright, like so. Let's just not pack it too hard, just kind of press it down a little bit so it evens out. Okay. And then that crust I was talking about earlier. So let's I'm gonna do half of it first. Okay, I'll take half of it. I'll shape it a little bit. So this is definitely gonna be a little bit rough, so it's gonna be like more of a homemade. It's gonna look like it's homemade. Alright. So I can add a little bit more. Just kind of shape it, mold it together. I'll put a little design in there later on as well. Okay. So that's 1/2 or quarter. This. Just trying to get all the edges, as much as the edges as possible. It's not going to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's part of the fun of it. So even though it's really, the dough is not homemade, everything else is, so it's kind of semi-homemade. So it makes it easier. It's trying to fill up all the gaps. Okay. All right. make some design. It's a simple knife, just trying to go on a bias. I'm just going on one side, just pressing it down. Okay, and then the top, let's just make some incision. Okay. So when it cooks, it can have there's some like a ventilation where the fillings they can actually kind of vent, so it doesn't get all bobbed up in there. And it cooks faster too. Okay. Then, so that's the finished product. A little bit of egg wash in there, so keep it nice and golden. This is just one whole egg. Alright, there's a crying baby in the back. That's my daughter. Trying to be part of the show. She wants to be part of the video. She's in her crib. You see, she's not liking it. That she's not part of the video. Okay, that's it. And then just trying to get as much of the edges as possible. So I know it's not the most perfect, but it's definitely it's very tasty. And then we'll put this in a preheated oven, 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. That's it.